Hi friends, today we will learn how to apply a watermark to subscribe to YouTube videos using Photoshop. First, let's open the Photoshop. The recommended size of YouTube watermark 150 by 150 pixels. First, select the rectangle tool. The shortcut is U. Double click on the new layer to change the color. Now let's make the arrowhead. Select the pen tool, shortcut is P, and select the shape layers. Now type the text. Press Ctrl plus T to create the size of the text. Let's use the direct selection tool. Short key is A to adjust the size of the arrowhead. Click on the arrowhead to get the anchor points. Now the subscribe button is done. Let's save it as a JPEG file. Now I would like to change the location of this arrowhead. Select the magic wand tool, the shortcut is W, and click on the arrowhead. Now copy and paste it. Now we have new arrowhead. Now we need to remove the arrowhead from the previous image. To do this, select the desired area with the marquee tool and fill it in red. Click the background color. Select the same color in image. Press Ctrl X. Now when you click on the eye mark in front of the layer 1 and close that layer, you will see that there is no arrowhead in the background layer. Now we can adjust the arrowhead as we want. Save this image again as a JPEG file. Now let's go to the YouTube channel. Select your channel and select Customize Channel and select Branding. Now press Upload. Now select the image we created. Okay, it's done. YouTube has given you three options on how to display it in the video. So I choose the third chance. Let's watch a video now. Hey, watch it. Show up throughout the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, please share it. Please subscribe us and click the bell icon to watch our videos soon. See you soon in a new video. Have a nice day.